What's up? Day 42 and it's Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We're going to go to the store, laundromat. I don't know where we're going yet. But yeah. Still I'm going to be listening to March 2016. Here comes the Puss in Boots. Come here. Puss in Boots. Yeah. Gotta run some errands quick. This is okay on Christmas. Pussy out. Cause my sister made fucking shit about my hair. Whatever. I don't care. Christmas is about caring and not fucking starting family drama. Well, who cares? Get over yourself. What are you guys doing for Christmas? I'm apparently waiting for my mom to bring in the laundry soap. So yeah. I was going to do a Christmas haul, but I might just be doing I'm going to be doing a Christmas / Boxing Day haul for you guys. For this channel, so yeah. Let go! Let it go! Let it go, 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 go! Fuck yeah. No, I don't really vlog on Christmas. It's Christmas, but we were doing Vlogmas, so yeah. Here for us, it's Christmas. I know some places might not be Christmas yet. Who knows, or Hanukkah, whatever they celebrate. Happy Hanukkah, happy whatever you celebrate. Rushan, Savaki, I don't know. I'm saying random words. I'm saying random words. Good cat. Who's coming? Hi, Boots. Hi, Puss in Boots. He's getting in the car. Hi, Boots. What are you doing? Hi, Boots. Getting in the car. No freaking way. Cat's in the car. Look at that. What are you doing, Boots? What are you doing, Boots? What are you doing, Boots? Mommy's gonna come and see you. Mommy's gonna come and see you, Bootsy Boots. Oh, run out. Oh no, why don't you? Why don't you? Lego, Lego. I got no adventures for you. No. Yeah. So tomorrow's not gonna be a normal vlog. It's gonna be a haul video of what I get on Boxing Day / Christmas for you guys. That works out pretty good. W day for 3 patients. Got the laundry soap. There you go. Cat was in the car. The cat was in the car.
Puss?
Yep. Oh guys, peace, sweat, love. Yeah, Bootsy was in the car. Boots was in the car. Yeah, he started coming in. Yeah, a cat started coming in. So I'm like, okay.
It should be open, right?
I hope so.
You think so?
I think so.
Oops.
Well.
Because that fucking van. Thanks.
Yeah, I didn't see him either. I didn't see that by either.
Well, it's hard with that van parked there. He was probably right behind it when I was trying to pull up.
I'll probably.
As soon as I got past the van, I could see him.
That doesn't mean nothing.
Yeah, I gave us a list. It's in my purse.
Who gave you a list?
Yes, he did.
Oh, well. Would you still love me the same? I showed you my phone. If I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?